Our journey begins in lush banana plantations, where these tropical fruits grow under the morning sun.
Farmers carefully plant each banana shoot, ensuring healthy growth for the months ahead.
In a matter of months, these plants grow strong and tall, preparing to bear fruit.
Efficient irrigation ensures each plant receives the right amount of water to flourish.
Strong, vibrant leaves indicate the plants are thriving and ready for the next stage.
Nutrients are added to enrich the soil, boosting fruit quality and yield.
From above, the plantation reveals a perfect pattern, a testament to careful cultivation.
Regular checks ensure that pests and diseases are kept at bay, safeguarding the harvest. Teamwork ensures that even the heaviest bunches are harvested efficiently. Shaded carts help maintain the freshness of the fruit before transport.
The striking flowers signal the next stage in this fascinating growth cycle.
Sunlight fuels the growth, converting energy into sweet, nutritious fruit.
Pruning ensures each banana cluster receives enough sunlight and air for healthy development.
Nature and farming work hand in hand to produce the perfect crop of bananas.
The bananas slowly ripen, a sign that harvest season is approaching.
Harvest begins with skilled hands cutting the ripe banana clusters from the plant.
Each bunch is handled gently to prevent bruising during collection.
Bananas are bundled securely, ready to move from plantation to processing area.
Teamwork ensures that even the heaviest bunches are harvested efficiently. Shaded carts help maintain the freshness of the fruit before transport. Organization is key to safe handling and easier transportation.
Only the best bananas are selected for transport to markets.
Trimming ensures each banana bunch is uniform and market-ready.
Once harvested, bananas are gathered at the yard, ready for the next step.
Special treatments preserve the bananas, delaying ripening during transport. Wrapping stems prevents damage and keeps the fruit intact. Transport begins within the plantation to move bananas efficiently to collection points.
Crates are used to avoid bruising and maintain quality throughout the journey.
From farm to transport vehicle, every step is designed to keep bananas fresh. A coordinated effort ensures the plantation produces maximum yield without losses. Once harvested, bananas are transported to sorting facilities for quality control.
Only perfect bananas move forward. Others are repurposed or processed locally. Cleaning removes dust and ensures a fresh appearance for the market.
Cleaning removes dust and ensures a fresh appearance for the market.
Color indicates readiness, guiding proper packaging decisions.
Packaging protects bananas and provides essential information for transport.
Sealed crates keep bananas secure and reduce the risk of damage.
Modern tracking technology ensures each batch reaches its destination efficiently.
The warehouse acts as a central hub for sorting, storage, and transport.
Even weight distribution prevents accidents during loading and transport.
Automation speeds up the process, ensuring timely delivery to markets.
A final quality check ensures only the best bananas leave the facility.
Proper stacking prevents bruising and maintains freshness during transit.
Mechanical aids make handling heavy loads efficient and safe. Forklifts speed up loading, saving time and labor while protecting the fruit. The journey begins as trucks carry crates of bananas toward distribution centers. Drivers ensure the load is secure, avoiding damage during the long journey.
Transporting bananas requires careful navigation through diverse terrains.
These roads connect farms to markets, forming the lifeline of the supply chain.
Inside, crates are arranged to prevent shifting and bruising.
Modern GPS technology helps drivers reach their destinations on time.
Every route is carefully chosen to ensure safe and timely delivery. Steep roads demand skilled driving to protect the precious fruit.
In busy seasons, convoys help manage large volumes efficiently.
Temperature control maintains freshness throughout the journey.
Regular stops allow drivers to inspect the load and ensure safety.
Smaller vehicles transfer loads to larger trucks for long-distance travel. Efficient handling at transfer points prevents damage and delays.
Distribution hubs coordinate thousands of crates, keeping the supply chain running smoothly.
Timely transport depends on careful planning and traffic management.
Technology assists drivers in navigating safely and efficiently.
Thanks to careful packing, bananas arrive in perfect condition.
Upon arrival, the unloading process begins with precision and care. Forklifts speed up unloading while keeping bananas safe. A coordinated flow ensures smooth handling of large volumes.
Quality checks confirm the bananas survived the journey intact.
Automation helps distribute crates quickly within the facility.
Sorting by destination ensures efficient delivery to various markets.
Clear labeling prevents errors during distribution.
Cold storage preserves freshness until the bananas are ready for market.
Preparation for final delivery begins with careful logistics. Smaller vehicles deliver bananas to supermarkets and local markets.
Urban delivery requires careful handling to prevent bruising.
Accurate tracking guarantees that each crate reaches the correct destination.
These tomatoes are incredibly sweet today. Hey,
I'll take 3 of those and a bunch of the collard greens.
excellent choice.
Wholesale markets are the first stop, where bananas are distributed in bulk.
Inspecting bananas at market ensures only the best are sold.
Inspecting bananas at market ensures only the best are sold. Neat displays attract buyers and maintain fruit quality.
Consumers enjoy fresh, perfectly ripened bananas thanks to careful handling. From farm to hand, each banana has traveled a long journey.
Accurate measurement ensures fair pricing for both sellers and buyers.
Modern payment systems make transactions quick and convenient.
Smaller vendors get fresh bananas directly from wholesalers.
Portioning bananas makes them accessible and easy to sell.
Attractively displayed bananas entice customers and boost sales.
Freshness and quality are the key factors in driving consumer choice.
Bananas are among the most popular fruits, sold in large quantities every day.
Careful packaging protects the fruit during transportation to homes.
Even after wholesale distribution, logistics ensure timely local delivery.
Supermarkets receive large shipments of bananas ready for display.
Proper handling keeps bananas fresh and ready for customers.
Display placement is designed to attract buyers and maintain quality.
From farm to shelf, each banana has maintained its natural quality. Fresh, ripe bananas are enjoyed by families and individuals alike.
Efficient checkout processes make shopping easy and quick.
The journey ends as bananas reach homes, ready to be consumed.
Finally, these nutritious fruits nourish and delight consumers worldwide.
From plantation to plate, bananas travel a carefully managed supply chain.
Every banana tells a story of growth, care, and efficient transportation.